Horsehair couch, that says. Going down. Ooh. Frontier Justice. By all means, gotta take a look at this. 1892. Rancher on Lower French Creek near Fairborn quarreled with a neighbor who complained to the Custer County Sheriff's Office. Lehman met the deputy with his rifle and pointed it to the lawman, ordering him to leave. Deputy Burns, "Don't shoot, John, I'm leaving." But Lehman shot and killed the deputy. Ooh. And later apprehended in Rushville, Nebraska, and returned to Custer, confined at the Custer County Courthouse jail. He was tried, retried, and later tried a third time on a question of sanity. In the courtroom located on the upper floor of this building, we were just up there in that actual room, he was convicted all 3 times by a jury. He was hanged from a scaffold located behind this courthouse. Ooh. The only legal hanging conducted in Custer County's history. Oh boy. Okay, and that is the actual hood. It was placed over his head when he was hanged for the murder of Custer Deputy Sheriff John Burns in July 1889. The actual hood. Oh man. And now we also, there it is. Authenticity, people. This is the rope, a noose with a hangman's knot, used to execute John B. Lehman on February 19, 1892. That's the actual rope right there, the real thing. Oh. Man, I've never seen an actual real. I mean, it's got the hood. I better look at it down here better. The actual hood and the rope. Both. Okay. Yep, but man, those were the 2 pieces there that are just amazing. Another story I can't pass up. Lame Johnny. Let me hold that steadier. Deputy Sheriff of Custer County. Okay. He turned horse thief and stage robber about 1878 and was arrested at Buffalo Gap by a deputy U.S. Marshal. To the law and public, he was then known as Lame Johnny. He was shackled to the floor of the stage, headed for Deadwood for trail. A lynch mob dragged him off the stage and hung him to the cottonwood tree in the above picture, part of which stands to your left. Okay, let's take a look at the picture. There's the tree there, and he was hung there. 1878. And here's the part of the tree there, the actual tree. Okay, this lynching took place about 25 miles southwest of Custer near Highway 79 and on what is now known as Lame Johnny Creek, of course. There was a rumor that cowboy dug up Lame Johnny's body and sold the skull in Chicago. Years later, Lame Johnny's remains were dug up by Ephraim Dean, grandfather of Carl Dow. The head was indeed missing, and Ephraim Dean removed this shackle from his leg. See, tree to the left. There it is. That's the shackle there, moved from his leg. Oh. The picture of the tree with the stone-covered grave beneath and the iron shackle have been donated to the museum by Carl Dow. The section of the tree is the gift of Mel Gibbs. Okay. Man alive. See, there's the tree and there's the stone grave where he was Oh, man alive. There we go. All right, that was definitely worth a visit. Only $6, and man, alive, that's awesome. 1881 courthouse in Custer, Dakota. I have to say it's a must visit. You have to come here. Excellent.